Hey guys, Knife Detector here. So I wanted to make this quick video about this knife I modified. I saw a video on YouTube on how to modify an old carbon steel butcher knife into a Kephart style knife. And Horace Kephart was a author and an avid outdoorsman and camper. And he made famous his particular style of knife, and that's why it's called the Kephart style knife. Now, the original Kephart style knife is about 4.5 inches for the handle and another 4.5 inches for the blade. My blade is 5.5 inches and 4.5 inches for the handle. So it's not true to the exact style of his knife, but it does have that drop point blade that I like very much. And I decided, well, let's see how easy it is just to modify a very old carbon steel knife that I probably paid like less than $10 for, into making it into a cool looking Kephart style knife. And surprisingly, it was pretty easy. I drew out the pattern on the blade, and then I went ahead and I got my Dremel. I cut out the pattern to what I needed. Then I went ahead and I used my 1 inch by 30 belt grinder, and I went ahead and I put an edge on it, and I smoothed out this edge here. Then I went ahead and I smoothed out the blocky handle. There you can see Tramontina. This used to be a Tramontina knife, or it is a Tramontina knife. And rounded off the blockiness of that handle. And did a little bit of polishing on the blade, and I put an edge there on that blade too. So this will make a good knife to have out in the campsite, barbecues. Fixing to have a barbecue tomorrow probably. I'm going to take this bad boy with me, and I'm going to cut some meat with it. And I wanted to share that with you guys. Just a quickie video. A little project that I did. Didn't take me too long to get the knife looking this way. Probably it took me about 30 minutes all in, reshaping the knife. 30 minutes on the belt grinder also. And I thought about possibly shortening the handle down to here a little bit, but I kind of like having that extra meat there so my hand can grab onto. And I really like the pattern of that carbon steel. Polished up really nice. So I want to share that with you guys. Hope you guys continue to have a blessed day. A little bit of pitting on this side. Didn't want to take too much of the blade off, and had more pitting on this side than the other side. I'm going to leave that on there. And I wanted to share that with you in case any of you guys want to do something similar. Very easy project. Very happy with the results. I have this old partial sheath that I'm using for it right now. I kind of modified this from something else that I was using. And I might modify it, or I might just make another one. I might put a belt loop right here to hang it from or something. So until then, I'm just kind of housing it like so. I'm holding the phone with one hand, so pardon the shakiness. But yeah, so I'm just holding it off like that for now. And just something to keep me from cutting myself. And so, about to go enjoy a Dairy Queen, a nice coffee. My wife picked me up right now at the Dairy Queen. And I want to wish you guys a fantastic evening. Thank you, God bless, and if you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and as always, stay sharp.